Final video to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80246008 on Windows 11. And I promise you this will make sense from start to finish. Are you trying to download or update an app, but the Microsoft Store keeps failing with this error and waste your time? This problem usually happens when Windows update services stop working, cache files get broken, or your system blocks the store from syncing properly. Many people search for help and find long videos with confusing steps, scary commands, and risky changes that feel hard to follow, especially for beginners. That is why Rexish made the simple solution just for you. I use one clean trick that resets the connection between Windows services and the Microsoft Store without harming your files or apps. This method works even if the error keeps coming back after restarts. You do not need extra software, and you do not need deep technical skills. You just follow one smart fix that Windows already supports but never explains clearly. I tested this on Windows 11 systems where nothing else worked, and the store started downloading again in minutes. If you want the full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, write a comment and say you want a guide, and Rexish will bring it for you. Stay connected with Rexish for easy Windows fixes that save time and remove stress.